Welcome back to Strong Man Personal Finance. Welcome back, everybody. My name is Christopher Belly. I'm a certified CPA accountant. I'm a long-term boglehead investor. I'm author of the book, Stop Being a Broke Loser. It's on Amazon. Links in the description. And I found a new guy that I really want to talk about. Now, it's been my thesis, my theory, my conjecture, that YouTube has been flooded and corrupted by a bunch of shills that all preach the same garbage investment philosophies, and they all buy the same stupid stocks. And this guy here, the foolish investor, he's an Englishman, I believe, Willy Wonka. He's no exception. And he caught my attention. Number one, because he's hot. No, I'm just kidding. He caught my attention because he seems to model himself after Jeremy LaFoo-Foo. You know that boy that smells like poo-poo? Anyway, let's go check out his channel. Here he is, the foolish investor. And then we're going to watch a video. So apparently he quotes Warren Buffett, blah, 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 blah. But then, oh, look at this video. Does this huge tattoo trucker's taint news change everything? Warren Buffett, tattoo trucker's taint. Peter Lynch, tattoo trucker's taint. Let's go watch this video about tattoo nutsack, and I'm going to see what this guy's all about.
So guys, I really wasn't planning on making another chef video for a while after my last two videos, and I actually worked all day on a video to do with Peter Lynch, but I had to scrap all of that after some game-changing news about the chef was released earlier today.
You worked all day on a video? What are you doing with your life? Okay, the time that you watch this video is literally roughly the time it takes me to make a video. Okay, I literally just shoot from the hip. I don't rehearse. I don't plan. All I do is open some browsers and just talk and say what I'm thinking. Okay, and then I have to, upload the video and make a thumbnail, but it doesn't take that long. Why are you working all day, bro? But let's hear about tattoo trucker's taint.
And I couldn't delay talking about this with you guys because I'm genuinely pumped. So at a Natural Foods Expo today, the chef released some brand new products, and it ain't just some more freezer food. And we actually have some high quality images of these new products as well. And I want to share everything about my thoughts on this and why I think this could be where TTCF changes as a business altogether.
Oh my God, guys. Tattoo trucker's taint released some new products. But what about profitability, ladies and gentlemen? Oh, that doesn't matter. It's a new product. It's going to change everything, bro. Let's see.
But before we get into the new products, let's just cover some backstory here, which is really important. So Tattoo Chef came public in 2020 and straight
I don't need the backstory.
away was labeled and valued as just a frozen food company. But from the beginning of when I started talking about the stock a year ago, I said and thought that it could be much more than that. And I've consistently said I prefer the chef to Beyond Meat by a long shot because it has a ton more optionality.
What else is it going to be? They make frozen food, dude.
Because whilst Beyond has to make
It's going to be an electric car company.
meat alternatives in a very crowded market, Tattoo Chef can make plant-based anything, and it just makes sense with the brand. But the first
He kind of looks like he eats Tattooed Chef. If you haven't tried that crap, it's okay, but it's extremely expensive, and the portions are like soy boy. So if you're like 115 pounds and you have very tiny wrists, you might like Tattooed Chef, and you vote Democrat or something. Kind of like this guy. Well, I don't know. What is it, Labour? Is it Labour in England? But the average man is not going to be fooled from freaking tattoo trucker's taint.
first thing the company needed to do was dominate the freezer space, and let's see how they've been doing on that front first. Well, since they're set to break 200 million this year from just frozen foods, I'd say they're killing it in that space. But more importantly, they built amazing relations.
$200 million? Is that in revenue? You think about every store in the country. Target, Walmart, Kroger, Costco. $200 million of revenue ain't freaking crap compared to the size of the frozen food industry. I don't even have to look that up to know $200 million is a drop in the bucket, bozo. But it's a big number. Oh my God.
Relationships with big stores like Target and are now in more than 13,000 stores around the US. And now we've got some more data today, which as a shareholder, I'm really happy to see. So according to this SPINS data, TTCF has 4 out of 5 of the fastest moving plant-based frozen products launched in 21. They're also now ranked as the fastest growing brand in frozen health and wellness, And they also ranked as the top health and wellness brand in frozen breakfast as well. But for
You know, if you're a really small company and you grow your revenue, it's easy to be the fastest growing company. Because when you're a freaking large company, obviously you don't grow as fast, you're more mature. So it's not something to brag about that Tattooed Trucker's Taint Sack is growing quickly. Is the company profitable? Are they diluting the shareholders? Is the product viable in the long run? Those are the questions I ask when I look at the stock. But these guys, revenue by revenue! Jeremy likes it, so I like it! This guy's not impressing me so
me as
far.
a shareholder, my proudest moment has been seeing Target say that TTCF's product launch was the best frozen food launch in their history. I mean, this is a company that stocked the biggest frozen food brands in history, and TTCF was the best launch of them all. So in my opinion, yes, there's much further
Is that true?
to go, but the company has executed as well as it could on the frozen food space. Crossing 200 million in revenue as a new food company in the freezer aisle isn't an easy accomplishment at all. And so now it's really time for the company to start executing on what I personally invested for, which is the expansion into brand new categories of plant-based foods. The freezer is really just one tiny section of the plant-based food market, and today TTCF finally officially launched products that take it out of the freezer and onto shop aisles. So
Oh my god. It's so tiny. Let me zoom in here. Well, I can't zoom in. Oat butter chocolate chip plant-based bar. And you see the girl on the cover has a freaking a plant growing out of her head. That's probably the average tattooed chef investor. You got a freaking pot of soil instead of brains. Oh my god, they have candy bars now. It's the future, bro.
one of the most exciting acquisitions that the Tattoo Chef made last year was acquiring Belmont Capital, which is a snack bar manufacturer. And I got really excited because they bought a ready-to-go manufacturing capacity, and they said it won't take long to get these products to the market. And literally in just months, they've really lived up to it, and the Tattoo Chef is now launching their very own plant-based snack bars. And as a quick note, I have to say, for the issues the company has with accounting and reporting, they definitely don't fail to execute on delivering their actual business growth. And I'm impressed with just how fast they've got this product developed.
They do have serious problems with their accounting and reporting, okay? It reflects on management that they can't even release their freaking financial statements on time. And they're not profitable either. So you look at all these different things. Oh my god, they're not profitable. Oh my god, their management is hot trash. Oh my god, the portions are garbage and it's very, very expensive. Should I consider buying this company? No. But somebody like this loses his freaking mind because they make a tofu, seafood, liberal yaya soy boy plant-based peanut butter bar. Apparently that changes everything. Show me the money, ladies and gentlemen. That's what matters. Not this speculative trash. This guy is just literally echoing Jeremy LaFufu. That's all he's doing. He's like every other freaking YouTuber where he finds, oh, what's the hottest stock? Oh, I'll buy a position in it, and then I'll just talk about it constantly, and I'll get views. It's a freaking joke. I've been able to grow my channel by talking about one index ETF, and trashing on losers like you, okay? I don't need to go and follow trends that I think are complete and utter BS. Kind of like Tattooed Trucker's Taint. Let's watch a little bit more, and then we're going to go look at his course, bro.
And they actually also released some photos, so we can see they've got...
Here they go. Plant-based beefy nacho burrito. Grain-free tortilla. Yeah. Filled with plant-based beef. Pinto beans and vegan nacho cheese. Net weight 5. Keep frozen, cook thoroughly. I can't even see the weight down there. Soy-free, gluten-free, vegan, and grain-free. Wow, ladies and gentlemen. This changes everything. The freaking girl with the with the plant going out of her freaking head. Tickle me pink. Alright, let's go see this dude's course. So apparently he's a genius because they released bars, and it's the future, bro. And of course, he's got a private Discord. And he's got a Teachable. Man, I wonder how much this guy makes. He's got 10 patrons. Okay, he makes $70 a month. Thank God. I'd be pissed if this guy made more than that. And then he's got a Master Stocks and Start Building Wealth today. Unlock access now? How much you charging, bro? $247? Get the frick out of here, you loser. Okay, so you want to donate to this guy's Patreon and give him $247, probably plus tax, to learn about tattooed truckers' taint. This guy doesn't know anything, okay? It's a freaking joke. Anyway, that's it. Like, subscribe, tell your friends about me. Don't subscribe to this clown, and y'all have a wonderful night. Cheers!